If you're a blogger looking for a powerful alternative to AdSense, you're in the right place. HilltopAds is a global ad network and traffic monetization platform that offers 6 high-performing ad formats, including pop under, in-page push, video vast, video slider ads, display banners, multi-tag, all-in-one integration. With over 10 flexible payment methods such as PayPal, USDT, wire transfer, and more. The minimum payout is just $20, making it accessible even for beginners. HilltopAds is also trusted by many leading platforms and global brands, ensuring quality traffic and reliable monetization for your site. To get started, create your HilltopAds account by clicking the link provided in the description of this video. When signing up, make sure to select I am a publisher if your goal is to monetize your blog or website. Fill in the required information carefully, and don't forget to check the box to agree to the terms and conditions before submitting your registration. After signing up, you'll be taken to the welcome page, where you'll receive a step-by-step guide on how to get started with the platform. Begin by selecting your preferred language from the list provided, and choose the language you'd like to receive email notifications in. Next, watch the introductory videos to better understand how the platform works, and follow the prompts to complete your initial settings. Don't forget to check your email inbox for the verification link. Click it to verify your account, then log in to access the full dashboard and start monetizing. Simply click on Add Website to submit your domain and complete the verification process. For additional controls and insights, head over to the Manage Sites and Zones tab. HilltopAds isn't just for bloggers. If you're active on social media or you're a mobile app developer, you can also monetize your audience and app traffic easily through this platform. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to connect a WordPress blog to HilltopAds and start earning from your traffic. Click on Add Website to get started. On the next page, enter your website domain in the provided field. For the category, make sure to select Mainstream to match general content types. Once you've filled in the details, click Add Website. As you can see, the website has been successfully added. The next step is to verify your website ownership on the HilltopAds platform. HilltopAds offers 2 verification methods. Option A, download and upload a verification file to the root directory of your website. Option B, add a provided meta tag to the head section of your main page. For this tutorial, we'll go with Option A, the file upload method. Simply click on Download File, and then head over to your hosting account. Since I'm using Infinity Free, I'll show you how to upload the verification file to the root directory, docs. Start by going to the Account tab in your hosting panel, then navigate to the Your Account section. From there, open the File Manager to access your website's files. Inside the File Manager, locate and open the docs folder, which is the root directory of your website. Now, simply drag and drop the verification file you downloaded into the docs folder. The upload process may take a few seconds depending on your connection. Once the upload is complete, check the folder to make sure the file has been successfully uploaded and is visible among the other files in docs. To confirm that your website has been successfully verified, simply open a new browser tab and type your full domain URL followed by a / and the exact name of the verification file you uploaded. Then, press Enter. If the page displays a code or a string of numbers, that means the verification was successful. Congratulations! Your site is now verified and ready to move forward. Next, return to your HilltopAds dashboard and click on Verify Website. If you see a message saying, Domain has been verified, congratulations! Your site is now successfully connected. In the Payment History tab, you can easily view all your past transactions and payout details. The My Account tab, you can update your profile information, edit invoice details, and set up or modify your preferred payment methods. You can also change your password and enhance your account security to keep your information safe. It's a convenient and user-friendly section designed to give you full control over your account settings. HilltopAds also offers a referral program, allowing you to earn extra income by simply sharing your unique referral link. You can share your unique referral link or place a banner ad on your website to attract new users. When someone signs up through your link and starts monetizing their traffic, you earn a percentage of their revenue without affecting their earnings. It's a great way to build passive income while helping others discover a reliable ad network. Thank you for watching all the way through. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next videos where I'll walk you through how to set up and manage all HilltopAds formats on your website step by step. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. I'll be covering everything you need to know about HilltopAds right here on this channel. So, stay tuned and subscribe for more tutorials and monetization tips. See you in the next video.